Now I just heard a helicopter. I should have filmed it over there, but I should have filmed like some helicopters, but unfortunately it didn't work. Well, it does work now, but I'm assuming the helicopter's going that way. Yep, it's going that way. It's a quiet, sunny day for some reason. Sorry about that. Anyway, I thought winter's really like storm, rain, thunder, lightning, but no, it was all sunny. Like, look at this. It's all sunny. I'm hearing an helicopter still. And it's leaving. Well, again, another video for today. Hopefully anyone can like and subscribe still. And yes, I'm making more videos because I don't have much videos last month. Well, I didn't have many views, but even though I would do some more videos, but yeah, I wanted like more videos this month, and I want more views this time. So yeah, well, hopefully anyone can go like, subscribe, etc. And Aussie over and out.